By the time that we got to the point of wanting to go back to the original hardwood floors, we had quite a bit of tear out to do.
Travis and his crew went ahead and persevered through the job. Travis actually ended up having to hand mill all of the wood pieces to get the job done, and he did a fabulous job. You can't tell where the repairs ended and the original floor starts.
For what he had to work with, did a really good job. So, and you can agree with me, but I would, if you have an old house that is not just really in perfect condition, and if you want someone to really bring your floors back to life, these are the guys, Rip and Finish are the guys to do it.